Okay, I want to make this super duper quick. I just got my gaming mouse. It was lost in the mail. Long story short, it finally came and I just want to open it. This is the SteelSeries Sensei 10. Oh, it finally came. Down a knife. Alright, here we go. Oh my goodness, I didn't even know they would have that. Oh, I thought for glory, which is there on the top, but bow to the master. Opening a SteelSeries box is honestly exciting. It is like riveting. Everything about it. The attention to detail is incredible. SteelSeries is the best brand for gaming. I'm just gonna say it right now. I 100% support them. There is the mouse. That looks good. That looks really good. Alright, well, let's take it out of the box. Nice little grips. Look, they pay attention to everything. They know you're gonna want to grab the mouse, but normal people would just, you can't get it. They have these nice little side things. Oh, there's buttons on both sides. What? What is this? Oh my goodness. Check that out. Buttons on both sides. Holy smokes. This, guys, is the SteelSeries Sensei 10, and it is one of their newest mice, and I guess the most winning in esports according to the box. That's what sold me on it. I mean, if other people can win, maybe I can. This mouse feels amazing as of right now. Oh my goodness, guys, this is crazy. It's like transparent on the bottom. Everything that's in the box is the mouse, and it comes with its cable. Sadly, SteelSeries, the Velcro strap for the cable. Came with the keyboard, did not come with the mouse. I'm actually going to be keeping these boxes just because they're so cool. Just if I ever make a product, I want it to be enjoyable and awesome like that. You also get the instruction manual. I am back, but 2 weeks later, ready to review this mouse, and it's gonna be good. This is the SteelSeries Sensei 10 mouse, and it slays! I have gone through not one, but 2 10-hour gaming sessions. This mouse improved my gaming 3-fold. No, 5-fold. No!
27.35-fold.
There we go. That is the exact number. I did the math. I am dramatically better because of this mouse. Now, you can't actually buy success. Pay to win in some games is definitely a thing, but Fortnite is not. Changing your mouse shouldn't help you. I feel like the only reason this thing improved my gameplay so much is because I wasn't actually running a good mouse. I mean, I was running a good mouse, but it wasn't a gaming mouse. The sensor in here is true one-to-one tracking, which is brutally accurate in my opinion. When I'm jumping around, trying to kill people in Fortnite, gaming, and I swipe the mouse pad, I want it to go right to their head. And it does most of the time if I'm aiming right. It's analogy time. Let's say that you have a banana and an apple, but you really want to eat the apple. So you eat the banana and pretend it's an apple. Let's think about that for a second. Why don't you just eat the apple and know that it's an apple and get all that good juice of whatever you like in that apple? That's like saying, I want a game with a mouse. Like, I love gaming, gaming's fun, so I'm gonna game. You need a mouse, you have just this old mouse that you're using. You've been using it for 2 years. You've been using this mouse, and it's just a normal mouse. You're trying to game, but you're pretending that it's a gaming mouse. Now, just buy the gaming mouse and eat the apple. You know, you get what I'm saying? It's a pretty confusing analogy, but I just came up with it literally 30 seconds ago. This thing changed my gameplay, changed the way I viewed mice, and changed my life. What am I saying anymore? The SteelSeries gear I would recommend to anyone, any friend, 120%. This I would recommend buying it. It's only $89 Canadian. Just buy it. Literally, just buy it. I don't care any excuse. If you're looking for a mouse, period, this is the one. 120%. If I said it once, I said it 1,000 times, which I did. This mouse is the one. The final mouse, the last one I'll ever use. This is golden. I love this thing so much. That does it for the review. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe because I'm just growing my YouTube channel and I would really appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Share it if you want to, and if you think that you know anybody who this video would be beneficial for. I hope you have a great day. Life